Okay, thank you. Hi, good morning, everybody. All right, so this morning, we're going to start our daily morning MAO. All right, so I'm very sure that last night you guys must have made a lot of money because the Dow Jones went up by 1,700 points at one stage. All right, and that was whereby I received tons of messages from everybody asking me what should they do? Should they buy? Should they chase? Should they buy more? And my answer to all of them was no, N-O, no, no buying. In fact, stay out. Because first of all, I say during last Sunday MAO, if you were listening to me, I was saying that pretty clearly that the Warren Buffett indicator itself, the valuation is already at the all-time high level, and that was at 28,300. So if you plus another 1,700 points, where there's nothing really changed, okay, although yes, it's a vaccine of 90%, but the thing is this, the data is really very murky. And in fact, if you ask some of the doctors, they were like, they don't give the green light. So seriously, and out of nowhere now, suddenly this happened only when Biden wins the race. This is really scary. Honestly, this is very, very scary. This is really, my own personal opinion, this is manipulation at the best. Okay. Now, the thing is, if there is already a vaccine, FYI, in my personal opinion, if I have a company called the P company, and this company has this vaccine that is 90% good. I mean, seriously, we saw old Kodak shares went up by 40% in a single day itself. All right, because they went into medical. But we know this company P only up by 8% by end of the day. And in fact, they were profit taking from the moment after the news was released. Sorry, guys, I don't buy this. And of course, when the cash market opens, straight away, you see the selling came in. We're talking about a high of 30,100 about there. And the market pulls all the way back to 29,100. That means the 1,000 point of distribution, 1,000 point of distribution. So that's why I want to have this session with you to let you know that this is scary, very scary. So let's us start the day with our sharing for today. All right, let's go right into my PowerPoint and let's take a look. Can everybody see my PowerPoint? If yes, give me a thumbs up. Okay. All right, so what is going to happen today is 10 November 2020, our trade with the boys daily MAO. All right, so my name is Kel, all right, full name Kelvin Han. All right, okay. So the thing is this, before we start this morning, once again, I need you to give me your disclaimer to understand that you know that what I shared today is basically based on my personal view and based on what I see in the market, plus also the my personal finding in the market. All right, of course, everybody have different views. There'll be buyers, there'll be sellers. Now, I'm not saying that I'm biased towards the sell side, but I'm expressing deep concern for everybody here today, because I really don't want you guys to be caught at the wrong side of the market, because this time, if you get it really wrong, this could be pretty bad. Okay, it could be pretty bad. Okay, so that's why I want to express my deepest concern for all of you guys. Okay, all right, so thank you so much for your disclaimer. I'm trying to get my screen on. I can't see my, yeah, wait, I'm trying to get, okay, fine, get it up. Okay, thank you for a disclaimer, everybody. Okay, so let's continue then. Now, first of all, we know that the Dow Jones yesterday, when during my MAO, the Dow, basically everybody was calling for buy, and of course, they got what they want. They got what they want. So when Pfizer came out this vaccine hope, right, it gave the market a first jump of 800 points, then it went up to 1,700 at opening bell. My God, okay? So of course, that makes the Wall Street, what they call for a buy 2 days ago, become reality. So think about this. 2 days ago, I call you to buy, right? And then the next day, the market shot up. So obviously, you believe what you saw 2 days ago, and you jump in to buy. All right, and that is where they distribute back to you. You got my point here? That is how Wall Street always play this wonder game. And I've been saying this to many people before. Do not be caught by this, okay? So let's see the Dow Jones right now. Okay, you can see that this is what happened on the, wait, my Dow Jones chart. Okay, hold on a minute. Okay, here we go. Now, this is my Dow Jones chart, okay? You can see the Dow really propelled 1,700 points. But there is an express for concern, dear all right? Dear all, I'm expressing concern here is The Dow high was here, right? That was in February high, where things were perfect, no COVID, everybody were happy, jobs was good, nothing. Okay, then the market went down because of COVID. We understand that. Then from there, we have all the stimulus package and the recovery. We understand that. But the problem is yesterday, we are still at a very bad state. 130,000 people infected by the disease in the US alone, and the market propelled it higher. Now, just because of a vaccine, all right, an unconfirmed vaccine being found. And after that, what happened? The market took this opportunity to release. So I put it very simply, guys, very simple logical thinking. If let's say someone here on this day, maybe John, okay, example John, no inference or anything. If John bought at the highest point in February, he bought at the ultimate high, the highest of highest. That means yesterday John would have been able to get out without losses. So which means that all the steel bull that were buying from here to here, all the steel bull, they got out. I mean, seriously, think about it, they got out. And that is where the fresh funds came in. That is where the fresh fund came in. Of course, some argument came in as point of saying that, oh, no, Cal, it's because of the moving averages and the MA30 and people are buying. I understand that. So I'm going to give you a very simple idea. Is this, if the Dow Jones can recover back above the previous high, which is here, then yes, this is going to go up to 32,000. I can tell you that that is for sure. The Dow Jones can go up to 32,000. But if the Dow Jones doesn't do that, pulls back in state, and go down and give back all the gains that they had yesterday, I'm telling you, head for the hills, because the market will sell down easily to 26,500 easily. Now, I'm going to express myself up front here. I'm not going to cut the corners. I'm just informing you that there's two sides of the coin here. Please do hear me both sides and don't quote me on only one side. I said two sides. If the Dow can go past, okay, the high that was created back then, yes, this will go to 32,000. Okay. But if the Dow give back all the gains, I'm going to be telling you this, 26,500 is no issue at all. So this is going to be a pretty good trade right here. That means what's the Dow currently now? The Dow is at 29,100. So the upside is 3,000, downside is about also 3,000 points. It's going to be a lot of money. So take advantage of this and make good money of that. Okay, guys? Okay, so that is the Dow Jones for you guys. Now today, I'm going to just do one more sharing on the NASDAQ. Now, this is the NASDAQ chart, and I'm telling you this NASDAQ is ugly. It's very, very ugly. Now, look at the NASDAQ chart right here. Okay, NASDAQ chart. Okay, let me just hold a minute. Let me just put the colors in to make it a little pretty for you guys. Now, the NASDAQ chart yesterday, right, based on my what we train our students under the PTP Professional Trading Program, we did tell them they know that there is a very important technical point out there about 12,400 level. And indeed, yesterday, the NASDAQ really hit that point perfectly and sold off. So which means that this push-up is not done by normal, but it's done by computers and it's done by traders, the boys. So now the thing is this, if NASDAQ breaks the MA30, which is about 11,600, I'm calling for a sell right down all the way to MA200. I repeat myself once again. Right, if the market, the highlight if the NASDAQ hits the MA30, stage a rebound, yes, we can see a rebound from MA30. But if the market breaks below MA30, then I'm going to call that the NASDAQ will drop all the way down to this MA200 level. And that is about 10,700, which is very far away. That's about 1,100 points away from today's price. So this is a very important point now, seriously, because to me, this is very clearly, this is a form of distribution, okay? Now, okay, that is for NASDAQ. And of course, you look at S&P 500, this is even crazier, okay? Let me show you why I say it's crazy. Let me just show you a simple chart. If you saw my Trader Boys, you might see it. Now, we take this high, from this high in February, we connect to this high in this September, and you look at it, voila, my God, this is crazy. I mean that this is instrumentally created by the boys. They know exactly what they are doing for. They know why they bought it here, and then they know that this time to take profit. Everything itself is all constructed, my friends, all constructed. Nothing is real here itself. So the worst thing to happen is this, later on, that company P or other companies now all saying that they have this 90% thingy, all come out and say, oh, I'm so sorry, the data is not accurate and all this bullshit. I'm telling you, the market will sell faster than a speeding bullet. But of course, vice versa. I also hope for the best because we want to take up our mask. If they can find and get this vaccine done, yes, the Dow will go to 32,000. Okay, so this one is very, very important. Please hear me out right. Okay, so traders for today, FYI, if you're my student, you will know that today our Dow Jones chart, right? Today the opening price is below the pivot 2 at 29749. So which means that if the Dow stays below opening price, there will be some selling in the market. Okay, so that one you must understand that. But the KSI is green, so definitely anytime there will be intermittent buying from the market. Okay, you can see that the market hit KTR +1 now, -1 now. There's some intermittent buying at this moment. Okay, so let's go back to PowerPoint once again. Now the thing is this, of course, we saw that Dow went up. So obviously everyone thought that, okay, guy, Dow go up. Then Cal says that if Dow go up, gold will go up, right? Oops, sorry guys. Now you must understand this. That was on a very normal ground whereby it's like very normal day that the Dow go up, gold go up. But the thing is, yesterday was a vaccine news, which means that, right, that means if the vaccine is available, risk off. Risk off means that no one will be in risk. So which means that, right, they no need to protect themselves. That's why they're going to, they don't need the whole gold. That's why you saw yesterday the gold shoot down, right, really came all the way down. And that was whereby I mentioned before, yesterday in the MAO, I did mention that if gold breaks 1920, there will be some selling. So fundamentally now you can see everybody says that it's time to sell gold, it's time to sell gold and sell gold, right? It's always the case when the boys, tell you something that, it's like you have to sell. Let's just be what they call careful. All right, let me show you the gold chart yesterday. So yesterday gold, when we were talking about it, I told you before, if gold will come down, it'll come down all the way to about 1902, which already happened. Then of course it broke the MA30, which obviously brought it down lower. But look here, my friends, incredibly, look here. That's why I told you guys it's very good to use linear weighted average for this. And you can see that gold was stopped perfectly, all right? Stopped perfectly at the MA 200, okay? So again, this tells me the whole thing was constructed. So now the thing is this, at MA 200, that means that the gold will be holding fort at about 1850 level. And of course, if you look at RSI, the weight is perfectly bounces off from the, what they call the cycle peak. You see how perfect they went. So that's why yesterday gold, after that, I told you guys there's some resistance at 1958 to 1969. I mentioned that yesterday. Then what happened? Gold came off. Now the question is this. Okay, so what's next then for gold? Now, I believe this will happen, okay? As long gold stays above the MA 200, which is about 1850, the gold will recover. I believe gold will recover, okay? It should recover about to here. That means about 1890 level, around there, okay? Don't quote me, it can't be exact, right? 1890. That means that now it's for 1870, there about $20 upside to go, right? But, okay, take all that. But if the thing is this, if the vaccine news happen to be incorrect, okay, or not really confirmed, of course, gold will go even higher, okay? It can go as high as even 1916 level. But on the flip side, if let's say the news of vaccine is true and more people get involved in this, and if gold breaks below 1850, then gold will go all the way down to 1795. I repeat, 1795. So watch 1850. This is going to be very critical level to watch. And of course, there are some other technical points like 1840, 1820 level. But then again, the first target that I'm looking at is 1795. The question is, you may ask, Cal, if the market goes really down below 1795, can a gold go down to 1750, 1760? To me, let's put it this way. All right, gold is always a good commodity to buy as a hedge. Okay, and obviously it's all right. Let's look into history. A quick one for today. Let me just going to bring it in. Give me a short moment. Some technical here. Okay, we go back to where gold was. Okay, gold during the time of where the market, where the COVID happened, gold was about about here is 1700. Okay, 1700. So of course the thing is this: if there is a no COVID situation, all right, is it because of that? Then gold must come back to 1700 so that it's back to where it started. Okay, you can buy on that theory. So the thing is this: if you want to be very careful in case you get caught, then you must understand that gold has the potential to go down to 1700 just to go back to where the start of the COVID. Okay, because that is where it is. But on the flip side itself, right, if there's the vaccine cannot be found or not really ready for the market, and if gold just come down on speculation, if gold just come down on speculation, and if it fail, I can tell you this, gold will shoot right through the roof. It will hit 2218 seriously pretty fast. So which means that this could be a driver to drive out all the bulls in the gold market so that the boys can come in to collect as much as they can and then pump up later when the news become not there. Okay. So that is my personal view on how I see gold. I hope you guys caught what I say today. And of course, last but not least, I need to just share some stuff with you before you go. Okay, which is this, guys. I know that you guys have registered for this event, about 100 people have registered. You need to go to this particular, I will show you the boys, there is this posting, and then register. You'll be brought into a special group, and that is where the Zoom link will be there. Okay, you need to register. Even my own student, you need to register. Only on the 12th of November, 12 p.m., we do a lucky draw, and only 30 people will get a chance to come physically down to a hotel in Orchard for you guys to watch this whole interview live. It's going to be very fun because I'm going to ask him a lot of questions. Yes, I'll be the host, and I will poke a lot of questions on him, asking him a lot of funny stuff. Trust me on that, it'll be fun. Okay, guys, so this is my preview. I know that you've been asking me when's my class. I'm so sorry. I am very, very busy recently. But nonetheless, itself, go to Facebook and find us. We'll get you more information. Okay, my preview is on the 21st of November, 10 a.m. All right, I will show you guys live. And before we go, it's always a good thing to have food for thoughts. Today is on Nelson Mandela. It always seems impossible until it is done. I believe so, guys. It seems impossible for the market to be going there to hit all-time high. It already happens. Right, it also seems impossible for the gold to drop. It already happened. So guys, make the best of it. And I wish you well. And today, have a great day. Super Tuesday for students. I will see you at 2 p.m. for all of you guys. Take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye.